Welcome to Las Vegas Martin Kung Fu channel. Hi. I don't look like a Brazil person, right? Like a soccer player. Alright, so today's video is about how to transfer the soccer fast fit technique into Kung Fu wushu training. The soccer fast fit technique 那是一次好武术功夫拳，那是翻掌。Actually, wushu kung fu training, a lot of movements just like soccer. To one direction with full speed, with a fast stop, quick change directions. Soccer and wushu all need fast running, quick stop, quick change directions. So follow me for the fun tutorial. Training Kung Fu wushu technique with soccer ball. Let's go. Make the ground shake, jump, 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 make the ground shake like an earthquake. So let's start the first movement of today's tutorial, the trip. You can see this movement a lot from soccer players. The intention is the players to do the trip and to gather the ball and then continue to play his game. But for martial artists, our goal is to trip the leg and take down the person. If you're not good about punch, high kick, what should you do?
Sweep the leg.
Alright, my friend, this is a front sweep. They have two kind of different ways. So the first way, you stay low of your center and your hip up, you rotate by your toe. This is a standing way of a front sweep. This is using a lot in the wushu, taolu, and kung fu training. Also very useful for real application, so you can quick continue for whatever move you want to connect. Let's do step by step for this one. Step your left and push palm your left, your right hand on your waist. You come back, your shoulder. Make sure your heel up, use your toe. The second move, you transfer your position to drop stance. Straight, center right here, and heel up, use your toe. So you rotate flat your hand from right to left. Remember, rotate flat. So once you transfer this, it's one move. You say this. Then you can really put your hand on the floor and same time you start trip, just like soccer. And that is the goal. That is the target. And you go, boom, and your hand to keep the balance. Swing and push. And make a whole circle. So you see the rotation, and you can make the drop stance. 2. Beginners, how they do, they will go up quick. That's a pretty nice kick, but
if you sink the tension behind you, you can make a really nice one and big. Okay, look. So you go there. You see how that line, how that circle, right? So much bigger and looks much nicer, right? That's how about the beauty of a wushu for the outside this way. So you can see it like this way, okay? Let's do the hammer. And go 1 and 2 and open, right? And go 1, kick, boom. Okay, and then same thing, go other side. Go, kick. Always landing behind you, open your hip. Nice and clean. Shoot. Okay, 3 more. Go, shoot. Okay, 2 more. Go, shoot. All right, the last one. Go, shoot. Fit together, hands down. Let's do 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For beginners, actually for all levels, we always keep training basics all the time. No matter age and level, you and me. How to kick quick? Because the speed is the key. Have a great speed to kick high. So you need to make step right. Always I suggest when you make the step, when you kick a sucker, the principle you kick someone, right? This is if the target, they have a light. I want to kick the light. That's my goal. So I will be go boom, kick really high. To kick the light. How we can kick high? Of course, you need the flexibility, but the speed also important. How you make that step? You think about you kick a sucker. How you do? So if a sucker in front of you, if you go, then you're losing that speed. And people can tell when you just make the step. They know the ball is not gonna be fly very far or powerful. You don't create the power. You don't create the speed. So if you want that speed, you need to kick the cake just like you kick soccer. So that's the soccer I want to really kick and shoot. I will get really prepared. I will make right. So you need that speed. Once you have that speed, you create that speed and also the power, and you can kick really fast. Slow, but this is the key. You need to have the explosive, right? Wushu always have that. You do jumping kick or you do, that's make your movement look really sharp. If I just go really slow and then naturally, I can to do nice kick, okay. But if you want to get that speed and power, you need to give that quick step and that speed. Bring the kick faster and stronger, right? Go, go, shoot, go, right? They can make different, or just kick the soccer ball to try. Put the intention for wushu move. I always like see people want to learning and they have passion to do their things, and it make me happy. And I also like to do with you together. The slap kick. Will show you, right? We do this. Exactly same move, but we gotta have that. You heard that song? I hope. Yeah, that's the slap kick. So you try to your hand and slap on top of your shoes actually, and then that's have the impact. They have boom the sound, and then you go. That slap kick. This is not just sounds nice, but you know why we're doing this when we do the jumping kick. That help a lot. They can help you jump higher. They can help you rotate more. So that's the next step. Also have a common problem with the case. I mean beginners, once you do outside kick, so how they slap and they get it wrong. And a lot of times I say, hey, I don't hear any song about the slap kick. Why we do slap kick? Because beginners mostly we go this kick, right? We just go, normally we do this. And then when they do slap, they will be slapped just right, the toes are outside. That's okay, but not create the big impact. Sound is good, right? You listen, the sound is good, but not just for the sound. Also, you do the right, it will make loud sound. Also create the explosive, the speed, the power. The look is really nice, very nice. Okay, because I like to show you this way, so you can see clear. Your toe should be go more this way than straight. Why? You say this have a big surface you can really step on right there. right? Then this. You go straight, you go slap, adjust a little bit toes, then our create good sound, right? So you try to kick, you lean your toe, you make your toe more go this way. And you go kick up, and you go up. You say they have big surface right there, and then you bounce hand, and just really slap on there, and then you have bigger sound. Your toes go a little bit this way, a little bit turn this way, have create bigger surface. And you slap on, and you create the impact, the power, and the speed, and just look powerful. Too soon. Alright, and go. Hammer. 1, 2, 3. Okay, great. So let's do slow. You walk your left. So now you remember you kick this way, and you turn your toe, go this way, and you slap on the boom, top. Yes, that's look great, so good. Okay, do a second one. The same thing, but just other leg, and go shoot. Right, you slap on the top, and then you quick open your arm. Just look really nice. Knee switch. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 15. So nice. That sweat. 6 times. Squash. Get this. Back straight. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Woohoo. Okay. Very nice job training with me, that's great. You shouldn't to move your arm, you shouldn't to move anywhere. So once you kick really fast, you should landing the same speed. Everything really open and big. It's really getting dark, my friend. I really enjoy the Kung Fu training and tutoring, the way how Kung Fu mixed with soccer. Yeah, my daughter just opened the light for me. That's much better. All right, so if you're watching until here, I love you. And please to subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so you not miss the next video. And leave comment and like. Thank you for your support. The motive make me to make this video. Also watching the movie of Shaolin Saga. The movie is great. It's very funny. There's a lot of action. Also very educational. If you didn't watch this movie yet, you should watch. So enjoy the next clip. How that look like if Bruce Lee to be the goalkeeper in soccer competition. Hope you enjoyed the video, my friend. Keep up your good work. I see you in next video, and bye bye.